Your web browser is about to become your most powerful tool. Here are the AI extensions that will change the way you work online. First, Scribe. It automatically creates how-to guides for any process you do in your browser. Just click record, do the task, and Scribe creates a step-by-step guide with screenshots and text. It's perfect for training teammates or creating tutorials. It saves hours of documentation time. Second, Grammarly. You probably know Grammarly for fixing typos, but its AI features are much more powerful now. It can rewrite sentences for clarity, adjust your tone, and even generate text for you. It's like having a writing coach built directly into your browser. Third, Max AI Me. This extension puts the power of ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude right at your fingertips on any web page. Just select text, and you can instantly summarize it, translate it, or ask questions about it. You don't have to switch tabs to use AI anymore. It's a massive productivity booster. Upgrade your browser with these AI extensions. They'll save you time, improve your work, and make you more productive. Install one today and see the difference. Subscribe for more AI productivity hacks.